NLE Choppa reacts to Blueface mentioning him on new song. At NLE Choppa tweeted out, "I hate you to personally stop speaking on me. I thought ish was understood. Bet that." So NLE Choppa with some words for Blueface. They like the same type of corny to me. He ain't say ish about Youngboy dissing him though. He let it fly. He remind me of T.I.'s son. Now I know some of you gonna say T.I.'s son was never in the streets, and neither was Choppa. Ninjas just need a fight or shut up. On the internet, beefing back and forth is getting old. Who even listens to Blueface? Buddy say anybody name to get some clout. His music isn't doing anything. All the drama keep the attention on him. NLE Choppa ain't got nothing to worry about. Because man, nobody even finna hear that ish. And Buddy not gonna do none but make a song weaker than the one Blueface made. Just start a rap boxing league so we can see some fights.
A few moments later.
Blueface responds to NLE Choppa. "I'm not worried about a Muslim vegan cryp on Schoolyard." At Blueface Bleed'em tweeted out, "Ninjas rap about my West Siders all year long and mad when I rap about his. She decided to indulge in the circus on her own free recognizing she entered the chat nobody safe. I'm not worried about a Muslim vegan cryp on Schoolyard. Bet that, small fry. Squabble up or shut up. I put Lil Bro on anyway. I know NLE baby mama wanna hit. He told him squabble up about it. NLE not trying to throw hands for real. Ninjas from Cali love to squabble. Not gonna lie, Muslim vegan crip is wild." Brody said a Muslim vegan crip. Well, 2024 is off to a good start. New year, same BS. NLE not seeing Blueface. He won't catch that fade or none. He gonna keep it strictly internet and make some goofy excuse like Soulja Boy when it's time to knuckle up.
5 minutes later.
NLE Choppa challenges Blueface to boxing match. He undefeated versus women. I don't respect the ninja that put his hands on him anyway. At NLE Choppa tweeted out, "Let's box at Blueface Bleed'em. Who can set up celebrity boxing match in Vegas? Me and him. Hit me ASAP. He undefeated versus women. I don't respect the ninja that put his hands on him anyway." Let me know in the comment section right now if y'all want to see this. And I'm telling you, he ain't want to box YB though. I'm just saying. I think Blueface will put hands on bruh, no cap. Ain't nobody want to see this. But sure, we still gonna watch. I got bread on Blueface. On my mama kids, I rock with NLE, but stay out of Cud way. Blueface already advanced on his boxing ish. I mean, he sparred with Mayweather. Set it up, I'll be taking big bets on that. Buddy said he undefeated against women. Nah, Krishan won major if them were the box. Blueface can't be taken lightly.